Going.
Good morning, everyone. Well, today I'm going to show you where I keep my 6x6 paper pads because Valerie wanted to see them in my space, and you can see they're here on my shelf, and they're next to my dies, my stamps, and some ribbon. And I actually have some 6x8s in here too, but this is all the 6x6 I have, with the exception of I got a few more lately, and they are over here. And people have given, well, actually I think Maureen gave me some and my daughter had given me some. So they're in here. There's 5, and then I have a 6.5 by 6.5, and this one here that's, I think it's it's a 4 by 6. So the only other ones I have are these 6x8s, which I use more often, and these are my 3 Mente bins that I use, and that's kind of it. Oh, no, I lied. Okay, I do have these, which I think Maureen gave me a bunch of these, a couple little ones I bought, and then my daughter gave me some 4x6s, so I'm hoping I can get those used up, because I would like not to have all these things, excuse me, that I really don't use. But I know, like this graphic 45, I had to have it. And same with this. I was at where Joann's, I think, and I bought that. That's the last 6x6 I purchased. So it's not something that I buy. I did buy a couple of, well, let's see, Maureen gave me this Always and Forever, and I think I purchased this one because I just love the fall paper pads from Mente, and Mente gave me this one, and then I have this one that I bought a long time ago. So that's really it for my 6x6. So not a whole lot, and I don't want to continue buying them. I want to say that. So, I'm going to pause right now, and I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm back to my desk, and the other day I was going through all my scraps and trying to put stuff together to either do page or base pages or cards. So, and I got rid of everything except for what I have here. And, well, some stuff I already put away, but I have grays and blacks, I think, left to go through. So these are things I made into what I think could be base pages, and like definitely have to put something else with it. And maybe as I go through little scraps, maybe I'll find something to put with it. So I think these go well together. And sorry I'm so nasally. And so I like those together. So I'm going to put these in my base page area. This here, I just love it. And it's Teresa Collins. And actually I love both sides. And so I definitely want to do something with it. I just haven't figured out what that is. But you know, I thought it matches pretty well, but maybe not. Maybe that better. So I don't know. I think I'm going to put it by itself, because I could just put on white. Okay. And I'll put it in the card area, because I think this goes better with this. So I think I had those together. And that's another piece of paper. I just love it. So I'm putting that in the card section. This I put with this and this here. Is it what I put together? I don't remember. I have had it sitting here for 2 or 3 days. I think they could go well together. But I'll probably make a card of this. I just love this. It's a really old paper, but it's so pretty. So I'm going to keep that together for now. These here I'm going to put with this stripe and also this green, and maybe it could be a base page. And this here I thought would be maybe a cute card. The colors are so pretty together. And it could be flying across my room right now. I'm over here. Okay, back. So I think that would be a cute card. This here, again, I think it would be a cute base page. So I'm going to keep that together. Or put it together, I should say. And let's see, I have pink. Oh, you know what? I was thinking this is going to all go together. You see, you leave the room for a couple days and you don't know what you planned. But see how cute that is? So another base page. And this here, these colors work so well together. I thought I could make that into a base page. Okay, so that's it there. And this is what my friend said she would take my scraps. And I have a few things in here that are bigger and quite a bit of stuff. She makes cards for the church sometimes, so I thought that would be great to go to her. And I still have the raised flags and the other stuff I saved that I thought I might be able to work in something, some base pages later on when I get something else to go with it. So that's it for right now. I just wanted to be able to show Valerie where I kept my 6x6s, and I'll probably be going through those one of these days too, because I need to scale down so I have more surface space. So thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful, blessed day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.